Hello, hello. Wanted to give you a quick tour of where I'm going to be tomorrow holding an open house here in San Clemente. 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, about 1,600 square feet, 2-car garage, and it's listed at $1,475,000. Let me flip you around and show you this view. So here's your patio. Good sized patio, walk out, sit out here with your morning cup of coffee, listening to the waves, watching the surfers, watching the dolphins swim by. I just work from home every day. And let's walk inside. So we have a nice open, great room with a fireplace, a dining area, and a nice large kitchen, lots of cabinet space, lots of counter space for entertaining. Let's go back and check out the bedrooms really quick. So here's the entrance. There's the front door. To the right, we have the master bedroom. Fireplace, good size room. There we go. And master bathroom. Separate tub, shower, walk-in closet to the back there. Here's the master bathroom. Let's go back out here. And down the hall, here's the washer dryer closet there. We have our second bedroom with a closet to the right and a second walk-in closet to the left. Another really good size room here. And second bathroom. There we have it. Come see me tomorrow. I'll be here from 1 to 4. See you then.